So my name is Elisa Balfour, and I am co-owner of Horseshoe Valley Environmental. So I have two kids with autoimmune diseases, immune compromised. When all this started, the COVID and the new normal, for them, there was just no going outside at all. Like as soon as that happened, I was like, nope, they have to stay inside. It was really difficult to see ourselves going out into residential homes to work and to go out into businesses and work. We came across an amazing sprayer from one of our manufacturers, and we thought, you know what, we could probably do this and help the economy open up and get people back out on the streets and able to be regular people again. Horseshoe Valley Environmental is a sanitization service. We come into a business or home and we disinfect the entire building. It is food safe, animal friendly, biodegradable. It dries in 10 minutes. It leaves no sticky residues. You can spray on any surface and it cleans and disinfects, and you can use the space within 20 minutes after we spray. It kills bacteria and viruses. So the most common bacteria is E. coli, Salmonella, H1N1, HIV, influenza, and it is Canada Health registered for COVID killing as well. And there's several other ones that we will have listed on our website. So we will assess the building, do a quick walkthrough, make sure the place is sound, there's nobody in the building. Once we find those areas and the high traffic areas, we go out, we suit up into our Tyvek, which protects us from COVID or any possible contaminants ourselves. We come in with our sprayers, we start from the upstairs back to front, and we pay special attention to any of the high traffic areas. If you're looking to bring your staff confidence and consumer confidence back into your business, please give us a call. We're absolutely happy to help you with a new fresh start to get your business up and moving again. So give us a call at any time. We're open 24 hours a day to answer your calls.